Hi, this is Teresa, and today I am going to show you how to post material within your Google Classroom. And today, part of the material I'm going to post is going to be a YouTube link. So here I am in my classroom, and I am going to first go ahead up to classwork to get into there. And then, there we are. I'm going to go ahead and click Create and add a material. And for this material, I'm creating a resource for my beginning clarinet players to use. So I'm going to label this. And add a description. All right, and then down here on topic, I'm going to go ahead and put this under the clarinet topic so that all the students know that this is for the clarinet students. And then when I go ahead in the future, I can add ones for trumpet and trombone and flute, and they will look under the topic that applies to them. So this one's for my clarinet students. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the YouTube link. And I'm going to add the URL, and I've already copied that link. So I'm going to paste it in there. And there's the video, pops right in there. We are going to add that. So now I like to go through and double check, make sure I have everything. I have a title, Clarinet Mouthpiece Practice, a description, use what to do with this, and then I've added my link. So I'm going to go ahead and post that to my classroom. And then if I just scroll down here, there's one for the percussion that I've done earlier. And it's the most recent one that I posted down here, Clarinet Mouthpiece Practice. So that's a great way to add material to your classroom so that students can find it at any time. So if I have a student at home that's working on their mouthpiece and they can't figure out why they can't get a sound, they can open this up, refer back, follow the tutorial, and get that figured out. So there you go. That is how to post material to your Google Classroom.